Sand stung her cheeks as the wind howled, drowning out hope. The sun had vanished, replaced by an endless black sky. Her cracked lips whispered for help, but only silence answered, until a distant, rhythmic tapping pierced the void. Heart pounding, she clawed toward the sound, each step a battle against exhaustion. The taps grew clearer, guiding her through the darkness. With every pulse, her resolve blazed brighter. At dawn, she collapsed at a rescue outpost, saved by the faint, coded signal that led her back from the brink. Against all odds, she endured.